Lecture number 7, and this is also about divisibility test. So in this lecture we will learn about chapter 1.3, and that is also about divisibility by 6. A number can be divided by 6 if the last digit is even and the sum of all digits is 3 or a multiple of 3. In other words, it must be divisible by both 2 and 3. For checking the divisibility of 6, we have to check the divisibility of 2 and 3. If a number is divisible by 2 or it is divisible by 3 both, then we will say that it is divisible by 6. So let us do some examples. So here we have to check the divisibility of 6. So the first question is A, and that is 348, and here you can see that the last digit is a 8. So it means we can divide this number by table of 2, or it is divisible by 2. Now we will check the divisibility of 3, and for that purpose we will add all digits. We will add 348, we will add 348 each other, and we will get our answer. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15. So 15 is a multiple of 3, so we will say that it can be divisible by 3. As we have already discussed that if a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, so it means we will say that it is divisible by 6. Now let us check the divisibility test of this number. Here the last digit is a 7 and that is odd. It means it cannot be divided by 2. So if it is not divided by 2, so we will say that it is not divisible by 6. Now we will check the divisibility test of option C, that is 5630. Here we can see that the last digit is 0. It means it can be divisible by 2. Now we will check the divisibility of test of 3. So for that purpose we will add all numbers, and when we add all numbers we will get our answer 14, and 14 is not a multiple of a 3. So we will say that as it is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 6, as it is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3, so we will say that it is not divisible by 6. For divisibility of test, so it must be divisible by 2 and 3 both. So it is not divisible by 3 but divisible by 2, so we will say that it is not divisible by 6. Now we will check the divisible test of D. So here the last digit is a 4, so it means it can be divisible by 2. Now we will check the divisibility of test of 3. For that purpose we will add all these number. 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 6 is 21. As 21 is a multiple of 3, so it means it is divisible by 3. So as it is divisible by 2 and 3 both, so it is divisible by 6 also. So remember that for divisibility of a for divisibility of 6, you have to check the divisibility of 2, and you have to check the divisibility of 3 both. If it is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then we will say that it must be divisible by a 6. So in this way we have to check the divisibility test of 6. So with this lecture, with this divisibility test of 6, we have completed our lecture. In the upcoming lecture, we will see the divisibility test of other numbers. So Allah Hafiz, take care.